Oh, I've just got really excited, so excited that I'm recording this video while my diesel heater is still on. Apologies for the noise in the background, but Scalenut, the AI writer, it's the one I've gone for. I've reviewed lots and lots of them. There are so many in the marketplace, but of the big ones that get great reviews, that are getting well known, there's Jasper AI, which I like, but does cost some dollar, and Scalenut, which I like equally as much, if not a little bit more, which is much cheaper. Now, one of the things that Jasper had that Scalenut didn't have was a Chrome extension. So that wherever you are, while surfing on Chrome, on YouTube, Facebook, you could just click on the extension and it would automatically generate stuff within your web pages. Guess what? Quickly, jump to the site. Exciting times. Here we go. Forgot to mention, the link is in the description of this video if you want to see if the Black Friday deal is still there. Phils.deals/Scalenut. Exciting times. Here we go. Scalenut has just released, I've never seen that before, the Chrome extension. I have not tested it yet. I've not seen what it can do. So, Scalenut has still got their Black Friday deal going on. I bought it on Black Friday. Scalenut has also got a WordPress plugin. I'm going to be doing a demo video of that. That's what I sat down to do when I just saw the Chrome extension pop up there. So the WordPress extension, which as far as I'm aware, no other AA writer has got, enables you to create your blog within Scalenut and then post it straight away into your blog. And it was easy to set it up with the credentials within my WordPress website. But this Chrome extension is very exciting. I'm going to install it now, and I will review it and see its capabilities. But genuinely, yeah, wow. Have a look at the pricing for Scalenut. The plan I signed up for was unlimited words with so many SEO reports and loads of extras. And it was about $28 a month if you pay for the annual plan. There is Scalenut. Let me get back with another video where we download and test that extension, but I'm going to get this video up right now because you might want to, now it's got the Chrome extension, snap it up on the Black Friday deal before it ends. All right, everyone, quite exciting times. I'm looking forward to creating. All right, everybody, quite excited by that, genuinely, because that was what I was crying out for. The only thing that Jasper had that Scalenut didn't, and it seems that it's got it now. So just have a look. The link is in the description of this video. And see if you still get the Black Friday deal. Cheers, everyone.